Each consultant's story is different, and yours will be too. That's what makes our Thermomix business opportunity so unique. We empower thousands of passionate and talented individuals to take their careers into their own hands. There are so many benefits to being a consultant, but one thing they all have in common is our consultants gain knowledge and they have a desire to share their love of Thermomix every day.
I started my Thermomix business because I wanted a lifestyle that allowed me to earn an income and be the mum that could show up for her child.
Because I was an absolute raving fan of the Thermomix.
To earn my machine and to get a Thermomix in our family kitchen.
Some of the biggest achievements in my Thermomix business since I joined would have to be earning the incentive trips. I've been fortunate to attend Port Douglas and Uluru.
Has been earning my Thermomix.
It's having my recipe published on Cookie-Doo.
Selling 21 machines in my first 60 days was probably my biggest achievement.
Becoming a full-time Thermomix consultant and team leader in just 6 months.
Definitely be the fun factor. It is such a fun business.
So what I love most about being a consultant is I'm super passionate about healthy food.
Sharing the Thermomix love and watching as it revolutionises my customers' lives just like it has for me.
Through starting my Thermomix business, I learned that the generosity and support of Thermomix is unlike anything else.
One of the biggest things is probably that it's not about me.
Through starting my business, I learned so much. I've learned a lot about myself and some new business skills.
And also around running a successful business and being a businesswoman.
So I have earned 2 Thermomixes, a black and a white.
I earned this.
I earned this.
And these!
No matter why you start or what keeps you here,
We all have this in common.
We use our Thermomix
Every day.
Where does your story begin in our business of serious enjoyment? Check out how easy it is to get started. The only thing to do now is to say yes. Say yes to a chat. You never know where it might take you.